Contemporary design, 4x6 matted Shadowbox picture frame with Memento Area, interchangeable baby expressions and calendar years, 3 welcome baby cards. Premium quality materials, quality white MDF frame, durable glass, removable back panel with easel. Charming look, Shadowbox design, tabletop, shelf or wall display, swing tab closures to easily change photos, easel back, attached hardware for easy wall hanging, top cutout holds, 4x6 picture within the 3.5 by 5.5 display opening, center cutout is 4.5 h, x 5.5 w, bottom cutout is 0.78 h, x 3.7 w, overall measurements are 9.33 w, x 13.26 inches, h, x 0.78 inches, d, depth in between glass and mat is 0.35 inches creating a shadowbox effect. Perfect for every application, displays on a tabletop or wall making it functional in a variety of locations around a nursery or home. Packaging, shipped in heavy-duty packaging that helps ensure safe delivery. Top reviews from the United States. Memories last forever. I love this so much I have also given as a gift. The nice thing is it comes with the baby information card and little title and a few colors for you to choose from. I used a photocopy of my girl's first footprints in the hospital band they wore, but there are many different ways you could make it your own. Now that my kids are older, 10 and 5, they love seeing how small the footprint is and getting the information because as most parents know over time you don't necessarily remember every detail.